Hello everyone, this is Trident and today we have the exciting opportunity to explore the brand new IQOO Pad. This particular device has generated quite a buzz as it marks IQOO's entry into the gaming tablet market. That's right, it's a gaming tablet, at least according to IQOO's claims. So let's dive in and find out more about its gaming capabilities and what sets it apart from other tablets on the market. So let's talk about the design. The IQOO Pad comes with a metal unibody design complemented by a circular camera module on the rear panel. It is equipped with the dual cameras at the back featuring a combination of 13 megapixel and a 2 megapixel sensor. Additionally, there is an 8 megapixel front-facing camera for capturing selfies. To provide an immersive audio experience, the tablet is outfitted with 4 full-range speakers and 2 tweeter units. If you have noticed, the tablet bears a resemblance to the recently announced Vivo Pad, particularly from the back. It features a minimal and timeless design with a simple and classic appearance rather than being excessively flashy or extravagant. The tablet features a 12.1-inch display bearing a resolution of 2.8K pixels and a 144Hz refresh rate. The tablet offers 600 nits peak brightness and supports for HDR10. It is compatible with a stylus and a touch keyboard, both sold separately. Let's discuss the internal hardware, which is the primary powerhouse of this tablet. Under the hood, the IQOO Pad houses a MediaTek Dimensity 9000 Plus processor. It packs up to 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 512 GB of onboard storage. The tablet also houses a large VC cooling chamber for heat dissipation. The device draws its power from a 10,000 mAh battery unit with support for 44-watt charging. The tablet runs on Origin OS 3 based on Android 13 with comprehensive cross-screen collaboration and multitasking features. We will dive deeper into this tablet in the future, but for now, that's all the information we can share at the moment. We would appreciate hearing your thoughts on this device and whether you believe it will pose a significant challenge to competitors such as the OnePlus Pad or Xiaomi Mi Pad 6 lineup. Please feel free to share your opinions in the comment section below. The description will contain pricing details, but to give you a brief overview, the IQOO Pad starts at 2299 RMB, that is roughly around $326 for the option with 8GB and 128GB. The price reaches 3299 RMB, that is roughly equal to $468 when you look for the higher 12GB plus 512GB variant. The device sales will begin on May 31st and it has a single grey color option. For now, there is no word on global availability. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this. Stay tuned with Trident to get a major update on this device. And as always, keep watching and keep smiling.